Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to recover your Telegram account quickly and easily. Just follow these instructions carefully. First, open your web browser and search for Telegram support. Scroll down until you see multiple options for contacting Telegram. If you have access to another active Telegram account, you can reach out to their support team directly through that account. If not, continue by clicking the official Telegram support link. On the support page, you'll find a form where you can report your issue. Fill out the form with the following details. Message type. Choose the option to send a request to the Telegram team. Message. Write something like, "Hello Telegram team. I'm unable to access my account and would like assistance recovering it. Please guide me through the process. Thank you." Registered email address. Enter the email address linked to your Telegram account, if applicable. Phone number. Provide the phone number associated with the account you're trying to recover. Last login location. Mention the city or region where you last accessed your account. Recovery email. Optional. You can also include an email address where you'd like to receive updates. Make sure all the information is accurate. Then click the Submit button to send your request. Telegram will review your submission and respond to the email address you provided. Follow the instructions in their response to complete the recovery process. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Telegram account without much hassle. If you run into any further issues, don't hesitate to contact Telegram support again for additional help.